What's up, guys? One of the many things that can annoy me is playing a pinball machine that is not level. Now, people have their own methods on making sure their game is level, or as level as they can make it in the type of environment that they live in, or even the type of material that they are aligning on. And one of the tricky parts about aligning on carpet is that you cannot align it in one state. Meaning, once you actually level your machine when you first place it on the carpet, in a matter of 12 hours, that machine will take a dip on either leg depending on the cushion and the carpet below. On hardwood or any other solid surface like that, you're not going to have to worry about that. I, on the other hand, have carpet. And this tends to happen whenever I go to pinball festivals, is that whenever the machines are set up, they are starting out as level when I first place them, but by the next day, they can be completely off and play completely different. There are a couple of ways that you can verify the integrity of your sway of the machine by either using the simple place the ball on top of the playfield and let it fall directly down the middle. If it does, your machine is level enough. Or you can download the app available on the Android Market Store, and there's also a different app that you can download on your iOS device. Since I swear against iOS devices, I will be using the Pin Leveler app on my Android device. Now here's the thing, guys, is that I actually don't know for sure 100% if my machines are level. I'm going to place a pinball at the top of the playfield and let it fall. And I'm going to judge just by visual means if I believe the game is level. Then I will use the app to deter if it's level or not. For all I know, my machines are way off. The only machine that I'm pretty much going to guarantee should be level is Totan over here, since that was my most recent install, and I can tell you right now, when that ball is on that top magnet in front of the genie and it releases, it can drop just straight down the middle without issue. Okay, so when you're using this application, the first thing you want to do is calibrate the device. So you want to make sure that you don't have a weird case where it's completely just misshapen and you can't lay it flat directly on the floor, or for 100% sure level surface. That is your 0 point, guys. This is what you're going to be judging the angle of your machine on, is what you're calibrating to. So you don't want to calibrate it on the playfield or on the glass because it's not level. Find a flat surface in your home and lay your phone down and hit that calibrate button. Now your app is calibrated at 0 and you should be able to adjust accordingly to that. So, are my games level? I sure as hell hope so, but we're about to find out.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, so as suspected, my Tales of the Arabian Nights is, for lack of a better word, perfect. Alright, let's try Arnold. Alright, so Arnold was definitely not on par when it comes to just starting out, but then I got massive different readings between what the application reads as being level and what the machine actually is. I'm pretty sure this is on a manufacturing level when it comes to how the playfield was mounted. It might be a little off actually inside the cabinet from left to right or forward and backwards, something like that, because if I was to mount this strictly on what the application is telling me is level, then my ball is going directly to my left slingshot. So I disregarded the app when it comes to left and right, and I just judged it by the ball coming out of that center scoop going directly in between all of the inserts down there, down the middle. And so now that it's going directly down the middle, then I'm going to judge that as my playfield being level. So I can already tell you that the app is going to assist you, but do not give 100% into this application thinking it's going to solve all your problems. If anything, it will definitely help you with your tilt of your machine with the angle. Typically, I like to run at least 6% or better. Totan was no problem at 7%. Looks like 6% is going to be what it is for my Arnold. And let's see how Swords of Fury does, guys. What the fuck is this? Oh, hell's in the no. Hell no. Gonna fix this. Gonna fix this today. Why you no work? Why the hell? Damn thing's like... Yeah, that's all kinds of whacked out. It's okay. I've got spares. There we go. Good. Okay. Okay, Swords of Fury. Perfect. On to World Cup Soccer 94.
Perfect.
Alright, so World Cup started out leaning to the right, and with a little bit of adjustment on my back legs, the application and the ball test were right on par. Let's move on to the getaway. That's going to be a different video. So, let's move on to Back to the Future. Okay, so the Back to the Future machine application stated being perfect. On the ball drop test, it was leaning a little bit to the left, so I raised up the right side just a little bit, and now we're still good, and the application reads it as still being perfect. So there you go. Moving on to Jackpot. Okay, so Jackpot's application was reading off, But the ball drop test, from that top drop target, center of the playfield, it would just drop directly down the middle to hit that center peg between the flippers. I'm not touching it. Last but not least, move on to Stargate, shall we? And there we go, Stargate is now complete. The application showed me that it was leaning to the right, and the ball test showed that as well. So I dropped down the left side, application showed me perfect, did a ball drop test, and pretty damn close to perfect, better than what it was. Maybe now I won't suck at that game so much, I don't know. So there it is, my entire collection is now level. What did we learn, ladies and gentlemen? We learned that the application via your phone is not gospel, okay? It is a mere assistant in the leveling process. Do not judge it solely, and that's it. If anything else, I would only trust the ball drop test. For those of you adjusting your machines on concrete or hardwood floors or anything other than carpet pretty much, easy peasy. For those of us on carpet, trust me, we envy you. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. If this video helped you out at all, gave you any information that you thought was useful, then be sure to please let me know down below. And please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, that way you can be notified of whenever I upload new material for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, peace out.